We know binary search is fast. But how do we formally derive its logarithmic time complexity? Let's prove it using recurrence relations, the Master Theorem, and recursion trees. At each step, binary search performs a constant time comparison, discards half the search space, and recurses on the remaining half. This gives us our fundamental recurrence relation. Let's visualize this with a recursion tree. At the top, we start with size n. Each level down splits the size by 2 and does constant work, continuing until we reach a single element. The total work is the sum of work at each level. Since each level does constant work, we multiply this constant by the tree height. Solving for when input size reaches 1 yields log base 2 of n levels. We can verify this instantly using the Master Theorem. Mapping our variables, we see that the scaling factor matches the sub-problem work, placing us directly into case 2. This logarithmic complexity is incredibly efficient. While linear time scales proportionally with the dataset, logarithmic time stays nearly flat even as our search space grows to millions of elements.